I was just didn't know what was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna. I thought the chocolate was gonna leak out the bottom of the cone.
Yeah,
That's what I
nigga,
was.
you
Nah, them ones I like. I don't like regular.
Super hot. That motherfucker done, boy. That motherfucker there.
That right there is like having a vanilla ice cream.
A la la poo poo. Boom boom.
I've been tested.
I think I got it.
Where's your phone at?
Ghetto nigga barbecue pit. Guaranteed to make you spit if you're a clan. Hand me one of them.
It's on fire, Dad. Right.
Hello.
Pandora. Listen to Everyday Stories on This American Life, a podcast that uses the tools of journalism to tell real, funny, and personal stories that you won't want to miss. Join Ira Glass on a journey through society and culture on one of the most popular podcasts out there. Tap to listen or search for This American
Yes,
Life
sir.
now.
And the fire keep going and going and
Looking for
going.
new glasses? Now you
See,
can
real
find
niggas got a barbecue pit
find everything else.
and a bonfire.
Our Vision Center text
It's okay when you see all these bonfires out here,
look good and feel great. Get the top eyewear brands now at Walmart Vision.
but this was the shrimps. I had the shrimps, shrimp kebabs. I even made some breads, some cinnamon bread. Didn't turn out the way we wanted to, but still was kind of cool.
I almost lost my earrings today.
See that
You
deal.
don't like to text me when I ask.
JJ up with me.
Not when it's
Oh.
live. See, and up it up.